Good morning, dear children. Today we will do worksheet 9 of punctuation. So let's read the question first. Part A says, work with your partner and underline the pairs of words used in the passage. One has been done for you. So here, as you can see, we have been given a passage and few pairs of words are there, and we have to underline those pairs of words. We have to find them out and we have to underline them. So let's read the passage first. It says, Mr. Poulter and Miss Penny have been working untiringly and sincerely, anxiously and nervously. So we get our second pair of word here. It is anxiously and nervously. In the office for last 12 hours. They have been trying to locate some important files. They have looked high and low. So your third pair of word is high and low. In and out. Next pair of word is in and out. But are unable to trace them. Mr. Poulter, who is otherwise efficient and organized. So next pair of word is efficient and organized. Cheerful and patient. So underline cheerful and patient. Seems to be getting rather irritated. Penny, who on the other hand is usually nervous and impatient. So next pair of word is nervous and impatient. Careless and anxious, another pair of word, please underline, is surprisingly calm and patient. Calm and patient here will be your next pair of word. Surprisingly will not be there. Okay, so careful and organized. So last pair of word is careful and organized. So as you can see that many pairs of words have been used in this passage. So we have to be careful that whenever these pairs of words are used, they are having a comma after that. That means we have to give a pause. So I hope that's clear. Now let's come to the B part. B part says, complete the following statement. Pairs of words connected by and are separated by. Now, as you have seen in passage A, those pairs of words which you have underlined, they are connected using and after we have written those pairs of words, they are separated from the rest of the sentence by a comma. So as you can see here, you have to write here a comma, and in the brackets you'll make a sign also. Then let's come to the next part. It says, read the following newspaper reports and punctuate them appropriately with capital letters, full stops and commas. Our first report is Carvey injured. Renowned footballer. So as you can see, renowned footballer. R will be capital, the beginning sentence. Renowned footballer Pratik Carvey was injured while playing a match. So after footballer, we are going to put a comma because we are telling that Pratik is a renowned, means very well known footballer. So we have to give a pause after footballer. Then the name Pratik, P will be capital, and Carvey, K will be capital. Was injured while playing a match. A full stop will come after match. Last, L will be capital, of course. Last evening, again we'll put a comma. Last evening, comma, he is reported to have. Now, what all things have happened to him? We will be separating them with a comma, of course. He is reported to have a fractured pelvis, comma, broken arms, comma, a fractured skull and internal injuries. There will be no comma after skull, okay? And after injuries, we will put a full stop. His condition is said to be critical and unstable. His, H will be capital, and after unstable, we are going to put a comma. His condition is said to be critical and unstable. Again, pairs of words are used here. Painful and unpredictable. So, as we have done in A part, when pairs of words are used, we separate them by a comma. So, of course, a comma is going to come after unstable. And at last, we are going to put a full stop after unpredictable. So, I hope the first part is clear to you. Now, if we see the second part, it says Weird Wilson. Weird means quite awkward. He was different from others. He used to do unusual things. So let's read about him. Once Mr. Wilson, of course, once O will be capital and Mr. Wilson is a proper noun, so M and W will be capital, was arrested for sharing his caravan with a donkey, comma, 3 grizzly bears. Now what is grizzly? Grizzly here means a bear which is having very large and fierce look. Okay. So after bears, again we are going to put comma. We are separating the things as Mr. Wilson has been arrested for sharing his caravan with a donkey, comma, 3 grizzly bears, comma, 13 dogs, comma, a monkey and 8 children. A full stop will come after 8 children. T will be capital of the police said that Mr. Wilson had to be arrested. Mr. Wilson, M and W will be capital, as this is illegal and dangerous. Again, pair of words are given to you. So, after dangerous, we'll put a comma. A bad example and abnormal behavior. So, a full stop will be there after behavior. So, that's all for today. Please do them in your books and we'll continue tomorrow in the next class. Thank you.